Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The Google Pixel 8 is the upcoming flagship smartphone from Google. It is expected to be released in October 2023 and will be the successor to the Pixel 7. The Pixel 8 is rumored to have a number of new features and improvements, including a new design, a faster processor, a better camera system, and a longer-lasting battery. The Pixel 8 is rumored to have a new design that is more modern and sleek. It is expected to have a flat display with a hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. The back of the phone is rumored to have a glass back with a camera bar that houses the rear cameras. The Pixel 8 is expected to be available in a variety of colors, including black, white, and blue. Processor: the Pixel 8 is rumored to be powered by Google's next-generation Tensor chip. The Tensor chip is a custom-designed chip that is optimized for machine learning and artificial intelligence. This will allow the Pixel 8 to perform tasks such as image processing and speech recognition faster and more efficiently. Camera: the Pixel 8 is rumored to have a triple-lens rear camera system. The main sensor is rumored to be a 50-megapixel sensor, the ultra-wide sensor is rumored to be a 12-megapixel sensor, and the telephoto sensor is rumored to be a 48-megapixel sensor. The front-facing camera is rumored to be a 12-megapixel sensor. The Pixel 8 is expected to have some of the best camera capabilities on the market. Battery: the Pixel 8 is rumored to have a 4,600 mAh battery. This is a significant increase from the 4,000 mAh battery in the Pixel 7. The longer-lasting battery will allow users to use their phones for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of power. Software: the Pixel 8 will run Android 14. Android 14 is the next major version of Android and is expected to be released in October 2023. Android 14 is rumored to have a number of new features and improvements, including a new design, new privacy features, and new productivity features. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 is shaping up to be a very impressive phone. It is rumored to have a new design, a faster processor, a better camera system, a longer-lasting battery, and Android 14. We can't wait to see it in person and put it to the test. Here are some additional details about the rumored features of the Pixel 8. Display: the Pixel 8 is rumored to have a 6.4-inch OLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Storage: the Pixel 8 is rumored to be available in 128GB and 256GB storage options. RAM: the Pixel 8 is rumored to have 8GB of RAM. Connectivity: the Pixel 8 is rumored to support 5G connectivity. Price: the Pixel 8 is rumored to start at $699. Of course, these are all just rumors at this point. We won't know for sure what the Pixel 8 is like until Google officially announces it. But based on the rumors, it looks like the Pixel 8 is shaping up to be a very impressive phone. It will be interesting to see how it compares to the competition when it is released later this year. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.